all the pieces that will be a part of the garage farm, the humidifier is iconic. It is a symbol of what the farm is all about and what it could be. It was built at the height of the COVID pandemic, a crucial component for the farm. And it will evolve with the enterprise as a whole. Within the unit lies the ultrasonic humidifier. When water touches this rapidly vibrating surface, it's transformed into a fine, cool mist. This technology was a bit alarming at first. The waterproof fan then pushes this humid air throughout the growing space. The DIY humidifier will be integrated into the fruiting chamber, will play a vital role in maintaining the perfect environment for growth. And perhaps one day, this humble humidifier will evolve into something even more dramatic. I am building a mushroom farm in the garage. And I will continue to build detailed videos about the specific tools and strategies that I use. I appreciate your support. I'll see you next time.